Today, we will continue with the onboarding screen prototype. In this prototype, I will apply drag gesture for the artboard transition. This will simulate drag on a touch-enabled device, which allow user to drag left and right to change scene. Before we start, I would like to have a simple explanation on the drag trigger in Adobe XD. There are 3 artboard here with different color cube in the center, red, blue and green. When we click on the artboard, we can see there are 2 hidden cubes stay outside the artboard. The reason of this is we can apply transition among these 3 artboard. Make sure we turn to prototype mode now. In the first artboard, click on the red cube, there will have a small blue arrow appear. Press and drag it to the second artboard. In the Properties Inspector, change the trigger from tap to drag. Same way apply to the second and third artboard. Select the blue color cube, press and drag it to the third artboard. Because we already linked the second artboard to third artboard in the forward transition, so the backward transition we have to duplicate another new artboard. Select the green color cube, press and drag to the new created artboard. Apply the same action to the first artboard. By doing so, now we can drag left or right to change the scene. Now, we can apply the same theory to our design. Click on the first artboard here, press and drag the blue arrow to second artboard. Select time at the trigger properties and change the delay to 5 seconds. Action type to auto animate, and easing is ease in out. Click on the preview button to preview the animation. Click on the home button here, when it's changed from gray to blue, indicating that the artboard is now successfully set as the home screen, because we set the time trigger delay for 5 seconds. So there will have a transition between artboard after 5 seconds. Now select the image from first artboard, press and drag the blue arrow to second artboard. Set it as the drag trigger. Now, when check 1 the preview screen, we can drag the first screen to second screen, apply the same action for the second and third artboard. The forward transition is ready, now we apply it to the backward transition. Link the third artboard to the new duplicated second artboard. And also link the new second artboard to first artboard. Now, press on the home screen and preview the transition we have set earlier. Next video, we will move on to the main screen design of this E-wallet app. Remember to come back to check out the video.